mga boss. It's March 3. March, pero I think yung ice nag-melt na slowly. Can't wait to have the spring again. Eventually summer. Winter wasn't that bad, but siguro get used to it already. Musta kayo dyan? Especially sa Dumaguete, Pilipinas, Cebu. Mga friends natin dyan, sana okay lang kayo. Well, ako okay lang. Okay na lang, despite trials and sickness, challenges in life na-encounter ko dito. Well, I will not talk about my sickness this time for today. Maybe the next video. But now, we're going to Winnipeg. May bibilin kaming something para sa bahay namin. Just to make it look good a little bit. Bili na rin ng groceries sa mga stores doon, Costco, Young's, or Walmart. Pero para maka-save din ba kahit konti. Actually, I'm on a medical leave right now kasi may problema tayo sa surgery ko. Medyo nahihirapan tayo sa magbabawas. Pero okay lang. Hindi talaga ang buhay. Positive lang. Life can be hard. Life can be difficult. It can sometimes be frustrating. Pero life must go on. Diba? Well, for this reels, yan na muna. I miss everybody, all my friends in the Philippines, especially in Dumaguete. I miss ko kayo dyan, my relatives. Sana okay lang kayo dyan. For now, turn this off and take care. See you soon.